Good morning, class. My name's Dr. Daniel Makupi. I'm a course instructor for this particular course on mobile application development, BBT 422. This course is taught for students in IT and computer science. Now, the overall objective of this course is to enable you to be able to build mobile applications that run on Android devices. And the key interest is to bring focus towards understanding the working of Android operating system, specifically understanding the overview of Android platform, the architecture of Android, and the role of Java. I think a majority of you have interacted before with Android mobile applications, and like WhatsApp, Google, and Play, and the others. So the role of Java in Android is that Java is an OOP language, object-oriented programming language, and this is the language that they're using to write these Android applications. So as from 2018, Google has actually announced Kotlin as the official programming language for Android applications. So aside from building in Java, you can also build in Kotlin. Kotlin has shortcode, minimized code. And still again, you realize that there's no difference when you're building apps in Java and in Kotlin. But for your case, you're already familiar with Java. This is one language that you are used to. And this is the language you're using for this particular course. You also need to understand the Android software development kit. That is where you're building the Android application. Remember in the other class, you are introduced to Java development kit, and same aspect applies. Android programs run inside SDK. Java programs run inside Java development kit. So you see the working aspect scenario is similar. So, but you need to realize that the way Android has been packaged is such that you require a JDK. You see? Then on top of this JDK, you install SDK. You see? So this SDK is an optimized version for mobile app development, which actually sits on top of Java development kit. That is why you'll see you are programming using Java, because already we have JDK inside it. So that is very important. There's also aspect about device emulators. These are devices which emulate a real working mobile app or a mobile computing environment so that you can be able to execute your apps. For this course, you also need to at least basically write a LOL application in Android, run on a device. So I can use ADT, Android Development Kits, tools in that regard. This ADT can allow you to run this app that you have developed in a real mobile device, you see? So as opposed to just running on an emulator. So you need also to understand about debugging, process of removal of errors from a program, understand also Android user interface, specifically look at layouts, widgets, menus, styling of widgets, applying styles to user interface, platform styles, and even themes. So you need to realize when I'm talking about generally layout and user interface, I'm talking about human-computer interaction, the aspect of interactivity between human and computer. Remember, the more ease of access in terms of if you build a platform that is easy for users to interact with, it becomes easier for people to use these apps. So if you have a complicated app, you realize that less and less users will be willing to use that particular platform or that to use that particular application. So you need very much to be able to come up with user interface which balances on ease of use and interactivity and intuitiveness. You see, some applications which are appealing in that regard. So that is what we entail to cover in this particular course on mobile application development. So this course majorly centers much on primary focus would be you engaging and practicing more and more and more when it comes to building applications. So basically that is an overview of this course. So one requirement for this course, you need to download and install Android Studio. Again, if you have Android Studio, just in case you realize that the previous versions as from 2018, you realize that one, you need to download and install Java Development Kit or Java JDK and make sure that that particular JDK is working. Once you install Java JDK, you can now install Android Studio. Remember, I stated the relationship clearly that we are writing Android applications using Java, and we realize that there is an optimized version of development kit for Android development known as SDK, Software Development Kit for Android. So this SDK actually is sitting on top of Java JDK. But the latest version, if you download the latest version of Android Studio, you realize that it comes packaged with JDK. So there's no need in that regard for you to install separately the two applications. It's packaged as one application. So thank you.